Would you like to know the 5 simple keys to building a 6 to 7 figure business in the online space? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that today. And stick around to the end because I have a very powerful free 3-day training coming up that is going to absolutely change the game for you. So step number 1 is clarity. Clarity on your goals, clarity on your vision, your mission, your purpose. What is it that you want to achieve? Why do you want to achieve it? What problem are you solving for people and who are you solving it for? What a lot of people don't realize about any business is that you must focus in on the problem you are solving for people because that's what they're paying you for. Problem, solution, money in the hand. The more people you solve the problem for, the more money you make. So you must get clarity around all these things. That is super, super critical. The second thing, what is your business model? Now, it's in the online space, right? Yes, but there's much more to it than that. There are so many different components that go into making an online business. So you've got to really understand what model is going to be the most effective way to deliver the solution that you have for your customers or clients, and what systems are you going to set in place? What automation do you need to set up in the background to be able to buy your time back and extract yourself from the business? This is what is called leverage. What do super successful, wealthy people do? They buy their time back. And this is what is so cool about an online business. There are so many different automations and systems that you can set up in the background so you don't have to do all the boring tasks, and this automated system just keeps actually rolling through and making money for you 24/7 while you sleep. It is very cool. What are your marketing systems? What's your business strategies around bringing your clients in? Your sales system, whether you like it or not, you're going to have to make sales to make 6 or 7 figures, right? So it's important that you have all of this really set out very, very well according to the formula that is the most effective for you, for the results that you want, for your customers or clients. The delivery of the product or the service that you are selling and how effectively that is delivered is so, so important. Now, the third thing that you need is, of course, a plan. If you are failing to plan, you are planning to fail. If you don't have a plan in place, then it's all dead in the water. None of it's going to work. Now, you don't have to have a concrete plan as long as you have a plan that keeps you moving forward, that is flexible, because you're going to need to adjust it along the way. The road to success is never a set formula. It's something that you need to adjust as you start to get results and see the results of your actions, and then you actually shift the plan, but you must have some sort of plan to start with. So the fourth thing is, this is so important. Whilst it might be step number 4 or key number 4, this is absolutely critical. This is your foundation. It underpins everything. If you do not have a rock solid, unstoppable success and wealth mindset, none of this, I don't care what else you have in place, none of that's going to work unless you have a rock solid mindset. So it is absolutely imperative that you work on building an unstoppable mindset. And of course, key number 5, action, baby. Without action, nothing happens. So it's important that you take consistent, aligned, inspired action toward your goals and dreams every single day. Aligned means that you are in full alignment. Your goals are in alignment with you. Your business model is in alignment with you. This is your unique wealth formula. This is about you. So it's really important that you are also taking inspired action. You can do and do and do and do and do, but if you're doing all the wrong things, you're never going to get the results that you want. So you partner with the universe. You get aligned and you listen to the universe, the inspiration, the guidance that the universe is giving you to accelerate your journey, because you want to get from point A to point B as quickly as possible. You do not want to muck around, because it can be hard in the trenches. A business, any business, is not an easy undertaking. So you want to partner with the universe to make sure that you are taking the quickest, most effective journey to your destination. So if you have liked all this, it's a combination of these things that will get you the results. And I'm holding a 3-day free training to help you to unpack all of this. On the first day, I'm going to show you how to build a 6 or more figure business within 6 months. I will then, on day 2, show you how to get free from fear. Freedom from fear is absolutely key. This is the mindset piece. So on day 2, I will show you how to discover the fears, the limiting beliefs, the subconscious blocks that are stopping you from getting the results that you want. Then on day, and I will show you techniques to be able to clear them. Now on day 3, this is where you get to activate the power that is already within you, because you are an infinitely powerful being. Now, when you activate the power within by releasing the limiting beliefs, fears, and doubts, you get to accelerate your journey to infinity and beyond. You are capable of achieving anything you put your mind to. Dream huge. And on day 3, I'm actually going to take the techniques that I share with you in day 2, and I'm going to show you how powerful they are by working through the blocks and the limiting beliefs that are slowing you down and holding you back, and helping you to clear some of those blocks. And this is a 3-day free training. These 3 days are going to be so transformational and so powerful that they will change the game for you. All you need to do is go to the address that is on your screen right now, onlinewealthaccelerator.com, register your details for the free training that is coming up very, very soon. I look forward to seeing you on the training. Until then, bye for now.